Good morning. Once again, welcome to Arunachal Pradesh Police Headquarters. धन्यवाद. बहुत जल्दबाज़ी में ये प्रेस ब्रीफिंग बुलाना पड़ा. As you know, recently 2 youths from Assam have been murdered in Arunachal Pradesh over a span of a month. And in response to that, the community across Assam, namely Takam Missing Purin Kebang and Missing Mema Kebang, Takam Missing Meme Kebang, have announced indefinite blockade of all the roads leading to Arunachal Pradesh. तो सिचुएशन को हम बराबर नज़र रखे हुए हैं. अब तक 7 रोड्स पर कंप्लीट ब्लॉकेड है. हम अरुणाचल पुलिस और असम पुलिस एट द हाईएस्ट लेवल हम डिस्कशन चल रहे हैं और लोगों से भी संपर्क में हैं. ऑल द कम्युनिटीज आर इन टच. सो वी वांट टू रिजॉल्व दिस blockade. That's the point. And whatever have happened, जो कुछ भी हो गया, 2 youths have been murdered. We understand that they are going through difficult times. I, on behalf of Arunachal Police and people of Arunachal, express deep sorrow, and in their moments of grief we are with them. And having said that, मैं थोड़ा इसके whatever had happened, जो केस हुए हैं इसके बारे में तो सबका इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए I want to tell. इसमें on 18th June यहाँ चिंपू में over a small trivial matter argument हुई, and then उनको दाव चला दिया, and then a person succumbed to the injury of the daw, and immediately police got into action, and then हम within no time इनको arrest भी किया, and the case as it is complete investigation is over हमारे तरफ से. But we are waiting for the FSL reports, क्योंकि हम इसको केस को अच्छा से बिल्कुल मतलब बनाना चाहता है प्रोफेशनली. वी आर गोइंग, चूँकि हम जब हाउस सर्च किया तो उसका ब्लड स्टेन दाव मिला और कपड़े मिले और इनका चप्पल और ब्लड स्टेन. those items have been sent to FSL for blood sampling and comparing. So we are waiting for it. But instruction हमने दे दिया है. अभी चार्जशीट कंप्लीट है, चार्जशीट फाइल करें और जब FSL रिपोर्ट आता है तो हम उसको सप्लीमेंट्री चार्जशीट करें. दिस इज द स्टेटस ऑफ द चिंपू केस. एंड इसके बारे में, ये केस के बारे में on 24 June हमारा ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ द स्टेट have already made a statement. I don't want to repeat that. Second unfortunate incident had happened on 13th of this month and Roing. तो अपने ही लेबर को, अपने ही कर्मचारी को over some argument और उनका कहना है कि it was an accidental fire, but we are not arresting that. We'll investigate ये कैसे हुआ. We'll get into the depth of debate. The situation, incident कैसे हुआ है उसको हम in depth investigation करेंगे. And unfortunately he was hit on the head, and then though he was brought to Three Hims in Naharlagan, लेकिन he succumbed to injury yesterday morning at around 4. So and then man has been arrested and weapon of offense seized, and other formalities are being done. And मैं यही जताना चाहता हूँ कि हमने केस रजिस्टर किया और स्विफ्टली एक्शन किया. ऑल नेसेसरी लीगल एक्शंस प्रोसीडिंग्स चल रहा है, हमारा पुलिस तरफ से कोई ढिलाई नहीं है. We are very serious about it and we are really concerned about the situation. Having said that, I would like to also bring it to the ear of notice of all कि ये जो दो घटना है ये एक आइसोलेटेड क्राइम इंसिडेंट है and I assure you this is not targeted is against any specific community. So आपका माध्यम से हम लोगों को अपील करना चाहता हूँ कि yes law and order और को अपना हाथ में ना ले, maintain calm and we should resolve the issue through talks, discussion and आपसी भाईचारा से हम इसको संभालना चाहिए. एक और इशू में आप लोगों को ये just want to reassure the people. यहाँ अरुणाचल is a mini India. People from all over the country, north, south, east, west रहते हैं. And most of the skilled, unskilled workforce are from rest of the country. So we mainly heavily depend on the workforce from outside, and we think that there is a scope for taking looking into the security and safety of this workforce. We are already considering ways and means how we can go about किस तरीके से हम ये वर्कफोर्स को हम ये कर सकते हैं, security and safety दिला सकते हैं. This being considered and accordingly necessary instructions after we have devised the mechanism will pass necessary instructions to the district SPs. So this is what I wanted to say once again through you. आपके माध्यम से मैं लोगों को कोई भी हो सबको अपील करना चाहता हूँ. Please maintain calm. Definitely this is a situation where all of us need to be little concerned because ये एक though it is an isolated case but serious offense, heinous offense तो हुआ है. तो we are with the people, we are with the bereaved family, but लोगों से मेरी ये अपील है कि let us maintain peace, calm on the border. We heavily depend on Assam for everything. You are our big brother. Please हमें आपका मदद, आपका सहयोग चाहिए. Thank you.